What's happening, people? I'm Mikey and welcome back to the By Nature Food Kitchen. Today we've got an incredible recipe, can't wait to take you through it. I'm personally a big fan of this recipe because it's crispy, sweet, perfect recipe for lunch, snack, or even dinner. So without further ado, what we're going to be making today are some lemon pepper cauliflower wings. They're amazing, absolutely delicious. We made a cauliflower buffalo wing recipe before and we thought, hey, let's play around with a few flavors. I haven't had lemon pepper chicken wings in a very long time, but from what I remember, I've got a good memory. You're just gonna have to trust me on that. This recipe ticks all the boxes and I'm sure you're gonna agree. So let's jump into this recipe. You're gonna love it. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna need to do is turn your oven on. Turn your oven on, that's what you need to do when you're gonna bake anything. Whack your oven to around 230 degrees, 450 degrees Fahrenheit, I think. I had to preheat, and then go and get your bowl. We're gonna make our lemon pepper seasoning. Now, you could buy chili and lemon seasoning. You wanna go to an Afro-Caribbean or Indian shop, will definitely have some lemon and chili seasoning. But if you wanna make it at home, it's super quick, super simple, and you only need a few ingredients. I'm gonna start making breadcrumb mix. Add your breadcrumbs, add around 3.5 tablespoons of your lemon pepper seasoning, and just whisk that together to combine. Okay, so for this recipe, we're gonna have a dry mix, which you've already made, and we're also gonna have a wet mix. To make the wet mix, we're gonna need some almond milk, plain flour, and we're also gonna need a few tablespoons of your lemon pepper seasoning. Don't use all of it because you're gonna need some of that lemon pepper seasoning for the last and final step when we make that butter to drizzle on top. Get our cauliflower ready to be used with our dry mix and our wet mix. So break your cauliflower into florets. Best thing to do, I find, is to cut the stem off and then just break off the florets individually. You can cut them again in half if you want your cauliflower wings to be a little bit smaller than the actual size of the cauliflower. If you want to cut it in half, go ahead and do so. Then what you want to do is you want to coat your cauliflower in the wet mix and then put it in the dry mix. Just toss it up very roughly, just make sure it's fully covered, and then put it on a baking tray. Repeat those steps until your entire head of cauliflower is covered, or I should say your florets are covered in the mix, and then we're just about good to put it in the oven. And yeah, exciting times, we're almost finished. And we're gonna be baking the cauliflower for around 30 to 35 minutes again at 230 degrees. Okay, so now we're on to the last steps when we're gonna make our lemon pepper butter sauce. So we're gonna drizzle this over the cauliflower florets or the cauliflower wings, and this is just gonna give it that extra spicy yet sweet kick. Some butter into a bowl. The rest of your lemon pepper seasoning, I told you not to use it all. Also some agave. Mix it together so you're fully incorporated. That's it, we're good to go. And drizzle the sauce over the cauliflower wings. Yes, that looks good. And that's it. That concludes our recipe for today, our lemon pepper cauliflower wings, and it's absolutely banging, I'm telling you. Give this recipe a try, I'm sure you're gonna love it. It's super delicious. That's it, people. Let us know if you get to try this recipe, let us know what you think, and anything else you wanna tell us in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for some more amazing recipes coming soon. So until then, have a blessed day and I'll see you soon.